Hi guys, so this is my first video. I've never done one before, and nor do I like the idea that you can actually see yourself until you hit record. So anyway, I have a lot of things that have been on my mind, and a lot of different people have been telling me to start YouTube for many reasons. I guess there's some funny things that I have to share, but mainly I just want to record my life, who I am, the ideas I have. Every day I have new ideas, I have different things that are on my mind that I would just love to share with you guys. I've actually done a lot of YouTube viewing and researching, and I really find interesting videos of people that, share their life and share their thoughts. And I think it's really wonderful what we have, this technology that we have. It's great. It's a way to communicate and spread ideas. I do believe that we're living in the emotional dark age, which pretty much means as humans, all of us together, are struggling with feelings, and we really have no idea, how to even connect with ourselves. So I think, this technology that we have is one way to really connect. So, like I said, this is my first video, and I don't even know if this sound is working right or what, but I guess I'll find out and go from there, and hopefully you guys will be seeing me a lot more. Bye for now.